In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off personalization on Google Play Store. If you've noticed the Play Store showing tailored recommendations like For You sections or suggested apps based on what you've browsed and installed, that's Google's personalization at work. In this walkthrough, we'll turn off the settings that use your activity to influence those recommendations, so your Play Store experience becomes more neutral and less tailored to your past behavior. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your device. At the top right, tap your profile icon. This opens your account menu. From there, choose Settings. You'll see a list of categories that control how Play behaves. Next, head into the area that manages personalization controls. Look for Privacy and Personalization. On some versions, this may appear as Personalization in Play. Both lead to the same place, the controls that decide how your app history and usage shape what you see in the store. If the layout looks a little different on your device, don't worry. The wording can vary slightly by region and app version, but the idea is the same. Inside this section, you'll find two key items to turn off. First, locate web and app activity and switch it off. You may see a confirmation screen that explains pausing this control will limit how Google uses your activity across services. Confirm to pause it. When this is off, certain related options might be hidden or grayed out, which simply means they're no longer active. Then, open Play Personalization and History. Here, turn off the tracking options that let Play use your installs, searches, and interactions to shape recommendations. With these disabled, Play Store won't use your activity to suggest apps and games. After these changes, expect fewer personalized sections. The For You suggestions may disappear or feel more generic, and recommendations will likely be reduced overall. This is normal and confirms that personalization has been turned down. Keep in mind, turning off personalization does not remove ads entirely. Ads are managed separately in Google's ad settings, so you may still see advertising in the Play Store and in apps, but those ads won't be based on the activity you just paused here. A quick recap. Open Play Store, go to your profile and settings, enter Privacy and Personalization or Personalization in Play, turn off web and app activity, then open Play Personalization and History and disable the tracking options. That's all you need to make the Play Store less personalized and more neutral.